Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Wix Inbox for messages and inquiries. Full guide. Let's get started. First, sign into your Wix account and open the dashboard for the website you want to manage. Once you're inside your site's dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Inbox. If you're opening Wix Inbox for the first time, you'll be asked to complete a quick setup. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to activate Inbox for your website. This only takes a few moments and allows your site to start receiving visitor messages. Once the setup is complete, you will arrive at your Inbox dashboard. Here, you can view conversations from your contact forms, live chat, and other connected communication channels all in one place. Next, click on Wix AI Site Chat if you want to add live chat to your website. Follow the setup process and choose the chat option that best fits your needs. When you're ready, click Add to Site to connect the chat feature with your website. After the chat has been added, all future conversations from your visitors will automatically appear inside Wix Inbox. You can open each conversation, reply to messages, mark chats as resolved, and keep track of ongoing customer inquiries from one convenient dashboard. Before finishing, explore the Inbox settings to customize notifications, automate replies, and adjust your messaging preferences. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Wix Inbox for messages and inquiries. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.